1 verse 37.
Sige.
Wala ano.
Seven, 37. Ulit, Lucas, 1, 2, 3, go. Lucas chapter 1 verse 37. Ulit, 1, 2, 3, go. Lucas chapter 1 verse 37. Okay lang, 1, 2, 3, go.
Lucas chapter 1 verse 37.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you for watching. Kung hindi ka pa nakapollow, follow mo na yan. Thank you and God bless mga ka-warriors.